Alright.
There it is.
In Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mchenry County in northeastern Illinois, east central Boone County in north central Illinois, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cape Run or near Podler Grove, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harvard, Cape Run, and Camping. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is round one.
This is Noaa's weather radio. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.